Hello?
Good
Hello?
morning po.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me okay?
Opo, naririnig ko po kayo.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning po.
And what's your name? What do I call you?
Joyce po,
Hi, Joyce. Good morning po. Ilan taon na si Joyce?
31.
31. Asan ka ngayon?
Laguna po.
Laguna. Is there any way you can speak louder?
Ay, mahina po ba? Pasensya na. Okay na po ba yan?
A little bit faint? Maybe
Um,
nasa Laguna ka ngayon.
Opo, nasa Laguna po.
Okay. Alright. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Joyce?
Um, Isa po akong virtual assistant.
VA.
Opo,
Okay. Naka-ano ka ba? Naka-headset ka ba?
opo, naka-earphone.
Oh, handheld lang tayo.
Okay, sige po. Wait lang po.
That explains.
Okay na po.
Better? Just louder. Are you married? A boyfriend? A girlfriend? Hello? Joyce, Joyce to the world.
Pero po, naririnig niyo po ako?
Are you on loudspeaker naman?
Okay na po.
Ayan, handheld lang tayo. Speak closer to the mouthpiece, please.
Opo, naka-handheld na po.
Alright, louder lang ha.
Okay po. Okay na po yan, ganyan?
No, it's faint, but okay, let's proceed.
Okay
Hello?
na po. Okay na po.
Okay.
Mas better na po ba?
Nasa loob ka ba ng refrigerator nyo?
Hindi po nasa loob ko ng kwarto ng bahay namin. So, nasa tabi rin po ako ng router. Hindi ko
Ah,
po talaga alam bakit mahina. Sorry.
sige.
Okay.
Are you married? Do you have a boyfriend? Ano?
Not yet married po.
Going there.
Planning to get married ako. Planning to get
Ah,
married.
kailan yan? Kailan yan?
October 2026.
October 2026. All right. How long were you together before you got engaged?
3 years po.
3 taon. Okay. At gaano katagal na kayo engaged?
4 months.
Kailan lang?
Opo.
Di bidang-bida sa ano, sa blue up mo yung picture mo na ano, yung daliri lang, ganon.
Hindi naman. Nahiya ako pabasa. Hindi ko.
Ano na?
Nahiya po ako. Hindi ko na-flex masyado.
Mm, well, not everything you'll post on SOCMED naman eh. Di ba? Mm. I really can't hear you that okay. I don't know why.
Bakit kaya?
Ayun, no? Ang hina. I-try mo kay loudspeaker. I mean,
Sige po.
okay ba yan?
Sige po.
Ano bang telepono gamit mo po? Ano, di pedal o di uling?
Yung regular cellphone naman po siya.
Pahina
Diba
ka
yun?
ng pahina eh. Oo. Why'd you,
Yan po, okay na po ba yan?
that's so better. All right. Why'd you call me?
Ah, ah, Tumawag po ako kasi parang nasa stage ako ng buhay ko na parang minsan mas okay kapag may kausap ka na hindi ka totally kilala to give you another point of view.
Mm-hmm.
Disclaimer, Papa Jack, I am medically diagnosed with bipolar depression. So,
Okay.
if I'm talking ng masyadong mabilis or paiba-iba ng topic, please feel free to cut me off. Kasi may ganun pong tendency. Anyway, ang reason po is I feel like I'm stuck. And have you ever felt in a situation na parang feeling mo na pag-iiwanan ka na? Parang feeling mo you're having a midlife crisis. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang na parang You wanted so much more in life. Pero parang feeling mo na pag-iwanan ka. And even though you wanted na magkaroon ng grateful heart sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari. And even though you wanted to tell yourself na everything that's happening is out of your control, medyo mahirap i-mindset yung sarili mo pa din. And even though you have a very, very good support system, ikaw na mismo yung parang hihiya ka na sa sarili mo magsabi na yung nararamdaman mo right now. Kasi parang alam mo din na sarili mo na hindi naman nila masusolusyonan. And alam mo din na at the end of the day, ikaw lang yung makakontrol ng life mo.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess the reason po kung bakit ako tumawag is I feel frustrated.
Mm-hmm.
And kasi parang masyado kang gustong gawin in your life. Pero yun nga, hindi sumasabay yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo to achieve those things. Parang you wanted to do so much kasi gusto mo magbigay ng mas madami para sa pamilya mo. But you don't have the luxury of time anymore.
Okay.
So yes, Papa Jack, the reason of the call is maybe to ask you na parang, paano yung mga successful na tao? How did you guys do it? At the end of the day, parang naranasan niyo din ba to? Is it okay to feel this way? And paano niya na-manage yun? Kasi sobrang galing. Kasi po, parang yung pinanggagalingan nung mga stories, yung mga sunod-sunod lang ng mga nangyayari. Recently, that's really out of your control. Say, yung mga nangyayari sa family mo and you wanted to do more for them, but hindi mo siya kayang gawin at the moment.
Okay.
So, yun po. Parang ganun ko gusto kong reason ng call. So maybe, minsan, kahit na alam mo naman na may mga tao nakakaranas sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, you wanna feel validated at the same time na at gusto mo rin marinig na hindi lang talaga ito yan. And it's okay to feel that way.
Ano yan? Sorry, I didn't catch that one.
Yung parang okay lang na nararanasan mo yan. You wanna hear na okay lang yan. Hindi lang ikaw yung nakakaranas ng ganyan right now. Parang gusto ko lang ng good vibes. Ganun.
Okay.
Yun po.
That's it?
Opo, kasi siguro yung isa sa mga reason ng frustration ko ngayon kung ba't ko siya nararamdaman is recently, hindi kasi kami conventional family po. Pero buo po yung family.
Hindi kayo conventional family. That's interesting. Anong kahulugan nun?
Parang hindi po kami isang buo. Buo po yung pamilya namin. There's no third party. Buo yung family naman. But my mom and my dad, hindi po sila magkasama sa loob ng isang bahay. And wala bang ibang pamilya. So,
and what do you mean magkasama? They live in a separate house?
Opo.
Why?
Because they have their differences. At hindi talaga sila pwedeng magsama sa loob ng isang bubong ng matagal because they're just gonna.
So how far away from are they from each other?
Dito po kami ngayon sa Laguna, yung father ko po nasa probinsya namin.
How often do they see each other?
Siguro po mga twice a year, I would say.
But they talk?
Yes po, they talk naman.
So they're together?
In that sense, opo. They're just not living sa...
No. Do not redefine it for them. They're together.
Yeah.
Kasi paano yung mga LDR? Hindi sila together? Together pa rin naman eh.
Yeah.
So they're just choosing a setup where there's not much tension in the relationship. Tama?
Yes po.
And it works for them?
Yes.
Okay. But it's not that it's our business, but nakwento mo naman. So, Eh, di nang alam na ako, di ba?
So, parang yun lang po yung background ng story. So,
Mhm.
yung father ko po is nasa probinsya siya. Yung
Okay.
ancestral home kasi namin doon is sira na po. And nakikituloy po siya sa kapatid niya. Tapos, umuwi na po yung anak ng tito ko doon. So, kailangan po umalis, mag-move out ng tatay ko.
Okay.
Walang may gustong magpatuloy sa kanya at the moment kasi parang gusto din nila yung house nila doon is ng mga tito ko. Pero sa family nila, which we truly understand. May isang house po kasi din yung tita ko na hindi pa tinitirahan. So, dahil hindi nga po talaga nagsasama yung parents ko sa isang bahay, hindi siya pwede dito sa amin kasi mag-aaway lang sila. At yun yung napagkasundoan
Okay.
nila. So,
Okay, I'll stop you there because so far that's not our concern.
okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hindi, baka kasi baka may marinig na nanay mo sabihin niya, ano, pakialam nyo. Di ba? Gusto namin, hindi kami magkasama. Okay naman kami. Ba't nangingialam kayo? Di ba? So, okay. Sige. Alright. Let's... Ang dahil mo sinabi kanina na about, about you. No, yung... You mentioned something like... you feel like time is running out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is that a new concept sa iyo? I mean,
Good question.
time is finite to all of us. Time is finite to all of us. It's never infinite. Di ba?
Okay.
And time, by virtue of death, is the best equalizer of all. Because death is lack of time. Tama?
Opo.
So, it's a great equalizer. Pantay-pantay tayo dyan. So, I wanna know, I like this topic, no? My favorite subject is sociology more than anything else, by the way. I wanna know why you said that.
Kasi po siguro nasa stage na ako na parang ako nagkaka-midlife crisis. I feel like napag-iwanan ka na. And since I'm planning to get married next year.
Okay, stop. You were right when you said you jump into another topic na from baka mamaya bigla kang tumalon sa Papa Jackson, kakasal na ako next year. Alam mo ba anong kahulugan ng deoxyribonucleic acid, mga ganun, no? Baka maguluhan na kami lang. Anyways, okay. Balikan mo lang yung unang thought mo before the kasal. Slow down. Go ahead. Hello?
Yes po. Yung sa time po kung bakit ko naisip na ganun. Kasi yun nga po, parang feeling ko nga na pag-iiwanan ka na.
Okay.
So, dapat
Explain that to me. No, explain that to me. Because kanina, and then before we moved into talking about your mom, you had so many concern about a supposed outcome of an unfortunate event in your life. But I was clueless. What was it that you were really di ba? That you were talking about? Saan ka nanggagaling? Napag-iwanan ka saan?
Yung kapag nakikita mo po yung mga kabatch mo o yung mga friends mo na parang
there you go.
Successful sila sa life nila.
Okay.
Yun po. Tapos
so you make other people's success or failure as a parameter of your status? Is that what you're saying?
Ganun po yung lumalabas. At kahit na hindi mo siya gusto, you can't help yourself.
No, you can help yourself. Excuse me. Excuse you me. Who said that? Why would you make other people's success or failure as a parameter of your status? Why?
Hmm.
No, I want to know because
Siguro po yung
you're doing it.
oh,
So I want to know why.
well, I guess ang gusto ko pong i-explain is, bakit ganun yung nararamdaman mo? Na parang, why do you think na ganun yung nangyayari? Na, at yung, minsan hindi mo maiwasang maramdaman na you're so happy for the person kasi na-achieve nila yun, but you feel bad para sa sarili mo.
Inggit ang tawag doon. If anything, let's not sugarcoat and romanticize things. Inggit tawag doon.
Okay.
Inggit. Ang tawag doon, inggit. May ibang tawag ka doon?
Hindi naman. Siguro, kailangan ko lang isang tao magsasabi, girl, naiinggit ka, wake up.
Are you?
I don't think so, to be honest.
You are.
Kasi, okay.
Otherwise, what's this? Ano na pinag-usapan natin?
Siguro po, tama po kayo. Maganda pong reflection yan for today.
I have a question for you.
Yes po.
To date, what is your biggest achievement?
Today, my biggest achievement is yung magkaroon po ng family dinner. Yung buong family ko. And it happened more than 10 years ago pa. And I made that happen for us.
That's not an achievement. That's an aspiration.
Nangyari po siya ng last week lang. So I think it's really an achievement.
That's all I'm saying. Personally. Growth. Achievement sa'yo. Let's not be melodramatic about this. Yun exactly what I'm asking.
Personal achievement po?
Yeah.
Siguro, to be honest, yung nakakapagbayad ko ng bills every month, achievement ko na.
That's responsibility.
Hindi ko po alam.
Do you have, at any point in life, have you traveled somewhere in the world?
Recently po, this year, opo, pero not very recent, mga first quarter po.
That's recent. That's this year. Where'd you go?
Okay. Thailand last time.
Oh.
Yun po yung recent.
Okay. No, I'm asking you this because I want to know. Baka may kinaiingitan din ibang tao sa'yo.
Actually po, bigla kong naalala, I think yung greatest achievement is yung makabili ng lot. Achievement po yun, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Yun po yung recent.
You are better than 15% of the world. Because a lot of people do not have that.
Yes po. Sometimes the grass is always greener on the other side. So, good reflection.
Ano yun, te? Sorry. Islam
Sabi ko po, sometimes the grass is greener on the other side.
Hindi ko pa naintindihan. Ano yan?
Ay, sorry na. Sabi ko po, sometimes the grass is greener on the other side.
And your point is?
Yung point is focus on what you have right now. Yun nga po yung sinasabi ko na gusto mo magkaroon ka ng grateful heart sa kung ano yung meron ka. But at the same time, hindi mo maiwasan na ma-pressure ka pa din sa mga environment mo, ganun po. So, pero sabi niyo nga, inggit yun, let's not romanticize. So, it's a body move.
I'm sorry, you lost me there. The grass is greener on the other side. Followed by a statement. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Papa Jack, no? Ang bilis ng mga thoughts sa isip ko.
No. No. You're just trying to embellish everything and overthink it at the same time. You are trying to embellish a lot about what you're going to say, and then overthink it as you say it.
Yung siguro po, ang gusto kong sabihin, minsan talaga parang mas nakikita mo pa kung ano yung meron sa iba kaysa sa kung ano yung meron ka.
Let's do us, the two of us, a favor tonight, okay? Let's stop talking about other people. Their lives is not your business. Never your business. For all you know, maybe you have a lot in your life right now that's going for you, that's causing them envy. Not that it's a good thing, I'm just saying, yung mga buhay ng ibang tao na binibilang mo at ginagawang parameter kung paano ang normal na buhay dapat, maybe they're looking at you as well.
Good point po.
Let's just stop for a little bit talking about other people. Let's talk about you. Am I making sense?
Yes po.
Okay, let's talk about you. You are 31 years old, tama?
Apo.
Okay. You have a good job?
Yes po.
Okay. Meron. Because you were able to buy a lot. Tama?
Apo.
Okay. Your mom loves you?
Yes.
Your dad loves you?
Sobra po.
All right. Do you feel protected and secured because your boyfriend loves you?
Yes.
You're better than most.
Thank you po.
Now, by feeling the way you're feeling right now and making other people's lives as your parameter, don't you think that's a little bit unfair and disservice to people who's been trying to love you all their lives? Because the inner monologue, the subtle inner monologue of what you're saying is what they're giving you, yung pagmamahal na binibigay nila sa'yo, is not enough. For you to feel still inadequate, given that you all have these people loving you and rooting for you. Is this making sense to you?
Yes po. Iniisip ko din po.
Yes po, go ahead.
Iniisip ko din. Actually, yun din yung dilemma ko. Yung gusto kong ibalik lahat yung pagmamahal na yun.
You cannot. You cannot.
Parang gusto ko mag-provide sa kanila more. At the same time, you feel you're tired. Kasi hindi mo alam kung paano mo gagawin yung mga gusto mo para sa kanila. Kasi they deserve it.
Joyce, you are one person. You're not Superman.
I'm hearing that a lot.
You're not. Stop romanticizing and giving a tap on the back doon sa inyong messianic complex. Have you heard of that term?
Yes po.
Yeah. Just do your best. Be reliable. Look, people would want to be loved the way they want to be loved, not the way you want to love them. Those are two different things.
Opo.
You have a lot of good things going for you. Tama ba ako?
At the same time, there are also a lot of bad things that's happening.
There's the negative part.
Mm-hmm.
Yan. Ayun ang negative.
Say for example po, may maganda kang trabaho, oo, pero at the same time, sinasacrifice mo yung health mo. Kasi working at night, it gives me
Would you rather look at it as if at least may work ka?
yes po.
So why antagonize your own work? I mean, if you really feel bad about doing the job that you're doing right now, why don't you resign? There will be other jobs other than what you're doing right now. I'm sure of that.
I feel like pamilisan ka pa yung pamilya mo sinusuportahan mo.
I'm sure there will be other jobs. I'm sure of that.
Maaari pong tama kayo, but it will take time para makuha mo ulit yung ganung klase ng trabaho, especially kung meron kang mga finances na kailangan mong i-maintain monthly.
True.
Na susuporta doon sa pamilya mo.
Very true. Very, very true. And then there's what we call sacrifice.
Yes po.
That's what you're doing.
Nung tinanong niya ako kanina if I have a good job, the answer will always be yes kasi it provides for the family. Pero mali po ba kung nararamdaman mong napapagod ka?
No. It's human nature to be tired. Of course, it's not wrong. Why would it be wrong? It's not wrong. But, you want to hear?
Yes po.
But, for you to label yourself as something like unfortunate, there's the problem.
Mm-hmm.
Look, listen to this conversation. All you ever did is find fault with what I'm telling you. That's all you ever did.
Sige po.
You know what, ganito.
Apo.
I have a suspicion that there is no amount of convincing I can do tonight. It's going to change. Yeah, don't worry. I know the fight and the battles I know the battles I fight every day. And these are the times that I know that you are here to debate whether you are right feeling bad about most of the things in your life and I'm not winning it. I know that. Alam ko yun. At alam ko rin na ang tayong gamot niyan is your mindset. Alam ko yun. If there's anything I'm trying to do right now just to plant maybe or instill sa utak mo some things you may consider when you sit down and mamaya sa toilet bowl, diba? Or maybe look at a blank wall and reflect. But I know I'm not winning this conversation. I don't have an illusion of grandeur that I can change your mind right now. I'm happy that you said kanina that some of the things that I told you make sense to you. Okay ako doon.
Apo, Papa Jack. Sorry, Papa Jack, if you feel that way.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No. You cannot offend me. I'm okay. There's no way you can offend me. I'm okay. If anything, I worry for you.
Paano po magkaroon ng mindset na gano'n? Like what you're saying.
I don't know because it's your mindset.
Minsan, okay.
Ikaw lang din yan. No one's gonna do it for you. No one's gonna do it for ano, on your behalf. Ikaw lang yan.
Sige po.
When you were diagnosed, did the doctor give you medication?
Yes po.
Did you continue taking it?
Yes po.
Okay, good. If the doctor says you need it, then you need it.
But, sige, naisip ko today, am I going to share something or I'm justifying something? Sige po.
Go ahead. I'm all ears.
Hindi i-share ko lang po sana na thank you dun sa pagtanong about it. Kasi inisip ko if I'm in my low episode kapag ganon. Kaya ganon yung mga emotions.
Extreme okay, extreme not okay.
Yes po.
Diba? Bipolar, meaning polarity.
Po.
Would you indulge me?
Sige po.
I'm going to sweet talk you into something. Can I?
Sige po.
Alright. Let me confirm to you what you know already. Ready?
Sige po. Sige po.
Life is sad. Most of the time, we are not enjoying where we are. Most of the time, we don't get to do what we want. You agree?
Sobra po.
Most of the time, we get to sacrifice our rest just to provide for someone, for some people. That's an outward spending of energy. You agree?
Opo.
I said this many times. I want to share it with you because this makes a lot of sense to me. Life, this was said by one of my all-time favorite comedians, si Tom Papa. Sabi ko na to, sabi niya, life is a sea of misery with islands of happiness here and there. Our duty as human beings is to appreciate those islands. And then we swim in the sea of misery to get to the next island. And I agree. Maybe 20% of the time, we are so happy. The 80%, lumilipas lang ang oras. Tama?
Opo.
But maybe, just maybe, Joyce, maybe those 80% is really designed for us to not achieve anything. Maybe that 80% is designed for us to just let it pass. Maybe we are just designed to achieve what we can achieve in that 80% in that 20%. Because that 20% gives meaning to the other 80. Is this making sense to you?
Opo.
So sa panahon na nasa 80% tayo, maybe we're just supposed to chill. Not overthink things. Do you want it to be more scientific? Matalino ka. So.
Sino nagsabi? Sorry.
Yeah. No, I mean, matalino ka. So, let's go a little bit scientific. Ready?
Sige po.
Scientists have discovered that our brain, the usage of our brain is only at most 10%. So, sa laki ng utak natin, 10% lang yan ang nagagamit natin. Swerte kung inabot mo yung 10%. 15 at most.
Mm-hmm.
Tama, mali?
Tama po.
But we still have the entire brain. So what? It's occupying a space that we don't need. But we need it. Do you know why?
Bakit po?
Because it makes the 10% function
Hmm.
Kasi nandun yung 90 or nandun yung 85%. It doesn't make sense. But it's supposed to be there. We may never know the answer. We may never know the answer.
Right. Oo nga naman.
Yeah.
Yung minsan lumalabas lang talaga yung competitive side mo that you also wanna do a lot of things. Sabi mo nga po, yung ganun complex talaga, hindi kasi Superman. So, chill lang. Enjoy. Fun lang muna yung meron at the moment.
Who are we competing with, by the way?
Ako po, sa sarili ko, meron ka kasing gustong maabot sa sarili mo. Tapos, parang you feel failure ka kasi hindi mo na aabot yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo.
Yeah, that or maybe you're just too harsh on yourself.
Maybe.
Di ba?
Opo. Tama po kayo.
This is a self-imposed pressure. That's very unnecessary. Tama na.
Opo. Tama.
Why do you want to live your life like that? Why?
Bakit nga ba? Siguro yung kagustuhan mo kasi na
There you go.
ayaw
There you
mo
go.
naman.
Don't even answer it. Just stop doing it.
Okay. Sige po. So, this is on me.
I like people like you who overthink life. I'm like you. I overthink life. I ask a lot of questions.
Okay lang po ba yun?
But do we have a difference? You want to know our difference?
Ano po?
I don't force to have the answer. I don't force myself to know the answer. I have confidence that one day it will make sense.
Opo.
Did I make sense?
Opo. Parang yung sinasabi niya na letting go ng mga bagay na hindi kaya mag-control talaga. So, kaya nyo na wala mo nang sagot. Kasi wala talagang sagot eh. Tanggapin mo lang. Just acceptance na nandyan siya kasi may reason siya kahit hindi mo alam kung ano yung reason.
What do you do for fun?
Wala po, I work every day.
Do something for fun. You know how I define fun?
Ako.
Something you enjoy with absolutely no benefit at all. That's fun.
Alam mo, Papa Jack, ang hirap din po kasi kapag nagtatrabaho ka sa gabi. Parang ang lahat ng tulog ka sa araw at sa gabi kagising. Parang wala kang magawa.
Ganito.
How fun.
Ganito. Kung siguro iba kausap mo, that person will disagree with you. But I disagree with you. I don't just agree with you. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit po?
I am more busy than you. I go to the gym
Sobra nga po.
and I go to the gym every day. I run. If I cannot go to the gym, I run. Why? That's my self.
For fun?
Maybe. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung benefit, but that's my self-gratification.
Mm.
That's gratuity for myself. Something that only I can appreciate, nobody else's.
Alam niyo ba, Jack, natatakot din po kasi akong lumabas for fun. Hindi ko po alam kung alam niyo. Kasi if you're diagnosed with bipolar depression, yung 2 highs mo po, you have a tendency to spend a lot.
Ano yun? Sorry, yung?
Kapag po nagmimania kayo or sobrang masaya po kayo, you have the tendency to spend a lot. As in, para kayo pong one day millionaire, hindi mo siya nakokontrol agad-agad. So, yun din po yung feel ko.
So, impulsive ka sa part na yun?
Ano po siya, yun po talaga yung mga nagagawa kapag may diagnose ka ng bipolar kasi you're too happy, so laging ganon. So yun po yung iniiwasan ko din. Kaya siguro nahihirapan akong magkaroon ng lumabas and to have fun kasi baka mismanage yung finances.
Iwanan mo yung wallet. Well, plan ahead. Iwanan mo yung wallet mo sa bahay niyo. If you go to the mall, dali mo lang yung pwede mong gastusin. What's acceptable? Alam mo yung tanong na yan, ino-overthink mo na lang yan, Joyce. That's a logistical question. You cannot spend what you have. You cannot spend what you don't have. So pag umalis ka ng sakto ang pera mo, then you will not spend it.
Sige po. Ano po ng fun thing to do bukas?
Hindi kailangan bukas ka agad. I mean, develop mo. I-develop
Sige
mo.
po.
Sabi dito, fun doesn't always mean financial involvement. Tama naman.
Yun nga po eh. Ano lang talaga, yung circle of friends ko, di na lang nagtatagpo yung schedule kasi, ayun nga, sa gabi ako gising. Sige po. Sorry, na-bore ko ba kayo?
No. I like this conversation. Ito ang wavelength ko. Yeah, this is my wavelength. I don't want to be wrong, but can I say what's on my mind? Not in a way that's celebratory, but people like you who's been diagnosed, it fascinates me to know how you guys think.
Ako, siguro napansin niyo na kanina, we tend to talk fast kasi we have a lot of thoughts na nangyayari sa isip namin. So, sabay-sabay po yun. So, mabilis kami magsalita. Tapos minsan, we jump from one thought to another. Kailangan po namin mas maging careful kung na yung self-management sa self-awareness namin. Dapat mataas po yung control namin kasi hindi namin yun namamalayan. Tapos ano po kami, hyper lang kami.
Joyce, hinga. Yan ka na naman. Hinga. You were just discussing it and you're doing it. Hinga.
Oo po.
No one's asking you to defend anything. I believe you. I'm your friend. Hinga. cute mo doon. Hinga lang. Take it slow. Slow down a little bit. Okay?
Opo.
Can I share to you personal?
Opo. Ma-appreciate ko po yun.
Yeah. Because I want this to be a case study to you. All my life, I have your problem. Not diagnosed, but I know I have it. I have a lot of thoughts. It's racing inside my brain.
Opo. Ito po yun.
Yeah. There's a lot of questions that does not make sense or do not make sense that I want answers for. I feel I am inferior to all of my cousins. I feel like kahit na masaya lang ang tropahan, I'm competing with everybody else. And you're right. I will end up paying for everybody else's because I find legitimacy that I am part of a circle when I pay for them. You get that?
Yes po. Gets niyo po.
I know. I still do it. Diba? Ang ending nga, para ko namimili ng kaibigan.
Yes po.
Diba
Tama
na?
po kayo.
Yeah. What else? I don't know if you experienced this na. Buti na lang nagagawa ko ito pag nag-isa lang ako. But I burst into a song. I just sang out loud.
Yes po.
Natatawa ka, di ba? Kasi ginagawa mo to, di ba?
Ako po.
Mm-hmm. So I read a lot about your condition. And I do it. I do it. I do it. May mga araw na sobrang laki ng tiwala ko sa sarili ko, kanta ko ng kanta. May mga araw that I don't like myself.
Opo. Do you also fear na baka ma-judge ka ng tao if you say something like that? Kasi syempre, hindi pa naman sila aware lahat. Kasi iisipin nila, nag-iinarte ka lang.
Yes, of course.
But it's a real thing. It's happening.
Siguro ang pagkakaiba natin, ako nagamit ko sa work ko. I have a lot to say. I'm a DJ. I have a lot of observation. I'm a host. That helps me. So, I'll tell you something. I make this as a part of my seminar when I'm at universities, pag nagle-lecture ako, because I do that sometimes.
Opo, ano po kayo sa PUP, diba?
Huwag mo nang sabihin yung taon. Huwag mo nang sabihin yung taon. Okay na yun. I always tell my students or, yung attendees ko every time that find your passion. Narinig nyo na to but I'll tell you the method. Ilista mo yung 10 kaya mong gawin ng walang bayad. And rank it from number 1 as the most important or most liked by you hanggang 10. Now, it's guaranteed na yung 10 yung gusto mong gawin lahat. Tama?
Opo.
Kunin mo yung top 5. Hanap ka ng trabaho, pasok yung 5 na yan. You'll never work a single day in your life.
Matagal ko na nga po iniisip yan. Ano mo yung talagang passion mo. Tapos minsan nai-stuck ka dun sa parang wala kang luxury to do the passion kasi meron kang responsibilidad na kailangan mong unahin. Mahirap kasi kapag madaming nakasandal sa'yo, parang hindi mo siya magawa agad.
Now, there's a discovery that I made. I'm going to share with you. People like you are the best breadwinners.
Hmm. Mas minsan parang hindi ka makasimula ng sarili mong buhay kasi natatakot ka. Paano sila?
That's why people like you are the best breadwinners. Why am I saying this? Do you want my thoughts?
Yes po.
Because despite the fact that we are too harsh on ourselves, we serve a purpose to a lot of people. And that's when I took it easy sa sarili ko. Because me being too harsh on myself served a purpose to a lot of people. That's when I started appreciating my footprints, my presence, my value to a group, to a team. It serves a value. Whether you believe it or not, it serves great value to people we love. Because we are so fixated on delivering things. That's a term. We are fixated. Tama mali?
Tama po.
I get you. My people. Ay, I found my people. Okay. Dami nakaka-relate sa atin. Why are you crying?
Thank you. Para kasing it makes you happy kapag may tao na relate sa'yo. Yung sacrifices mo, even though hindi ka naman sa kilala person, and parang nakarelate sila sa'yo kasi wala naman talaga ibang makakaalam ng sacrifices na ginagawa mo for it.
Oh, you're crying. I appreciate you. Now, I have a solution I want to share with you. Maybe it will work for you. Ready?
Yes po.
Okay. This will not be easy to do, but it's very doable. Ready ka?
Yes po.
Find a person you can surrender to. A person that you are going to accept the insults, the comments, everything. Yan ang kailangan mong i-surrender. Yan ang kailangan mong i-adjust sa sarili mo. Find that one person you can surrender yourself to. Someone you can ask a question, someone's going to comment to you at tatanggapin mo ng buong yung sabihin even if it hurts you. Hanapin mo yung tao na yan. It's so liberating. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Opo. Meron akong nakakausap na gano'n. Kaya lang minsan, parang feeling ko, nakakastorbo na ako sa tao.
Well, then that's not the person.
Sige po.
Because if that's the right person, believe me, hindi ka mahiya. You will not be made to feel na nakakaistorbo ka. At any point sa usapan na to, pinaramdam ko ba na nakakaistorbo ka sa akin?
Feeling ko po, to be honest, ginagawa niyo nun din po kasi siya sa iba. So may istorbohin ko na rin kayo.
Hinanamang pa ako ng mali talaga, ha?
Sorry na.
No, I mean, pinaramdam ko ba sa'yo na nakakaistorbo ka sa akin?
Hindi po. No, not at all actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Kaya,
you see, you've made yourself so vulnerable around me. Tama mali?
Tama po.
There you go. Andun yung magic. Andun yung magic. You know, I cannot talk to you every day. It will be weird, no? Kung kausap kita araw-araw, no? Mukha tayong tanga.
Actually, nakakagulat nga po kasi hindi ko in-expect na magre-reply kayo sa akin. So, thank you.
Akala nyo joke lang itong joke.
Hindi po kasi ang dami niyo pong listener. Sobrang sikat po kasi. So, mag-take lang ako ng chat.
Okay. Pinapalaki mo yung ulo ko, mag-hydrocephalus ako dito.
Hindi, totoo po. Kasi, dati pa nakikinig ako sa inyo. So,
okay, tama na.
Nag-go lang ako.
See? Parehas tayo. You know what? I don't like being commended.
Okay po. Pareho nga tayo.
See? I don't like it. Kaya marinig niyo ako minsan ako nagsasabing pogi ako para mauna ako sa inyong lahat. So it will not come from anybody else.
Din po nang
I know. My people. I understand you.
Thank you po, Papa. Thank you.
Before I let you go, I will be so wrong. Ako'y magiging sobrang mali. But I will tell it to you anyways. Ready po?
Yes po.
Bit-bitin mo to, ha?
Apo.
Kahit di mo na ako makausap ulit sa buhay mo, ha?
Apo.
I will tell you this loud and clear. Ready?
Apo.
There's nothing wrong with you. Stop fixing yourself.
Thank you. Grabe ka, Papa Jack. Thank you. Sorry po. Sobrang emotional. Minsan iba tayo. Nakakarinig ng ganun. Pag sobrang hindi na-doubt yung sarili mo. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you lang po talaga.
Alright?
Thank you. Thank you po.
Stop fixing yourself. You're okay as it is. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po sa inyo.
Bye-bye, Joyce.